Applied Information is dedicated to helping first responders get to their calls as quickly and safely as possible. But what if your city depends on optical preemption? Introducing the AI 500-087 Optical Data Aggregator, or ODA. The ODA allows cities to upgrade their current optical preemption with ease. No need to replace the entire optical system. This new product allows valid optical emitters and secure vehicle preemption units through intersection monitoring units and new glance GPS-based preemption to seamlessly communicate preemption requests to the controller from the same system, allowing for extended preemption runs for fire trucks, ambulances, and more. Easy to install and retrofit, the ODA card replaces traditional phase selectors and works perfectly with existing optical detectors like opticom and mert. With 4 configurable preempt channels per intersection and the ability to customize vehicle class and IDs from anywhere, the ODA adds optical emitters for secure preemption requests. Even neighboring agencies still depending on optical emitters can share in the safety benefits. Thanks to Glance by AI and its remote connectivity, you can check in on your intersection from anywhere. Enjoy remote monitoring, performance analysis, and diagnostic capabilities, offering insights previously unavailable with legacy systems. It's never been easier to make your city safer and easier to manage. To find out more about the ODA, reach out to us at appinfoinc.com. We're here to help.